Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to show you guys how you get the Brian Lane Home credit card without a hard inquiry, without them checking your credit, so you can have bad credit. And I want to show you how I was able to help somebody get approved for a $4,000 Brian Lane credit card. And guess what, you guys? It's the shopping cart trick. So if you're able to get the shopping cart trick, then perfect. This will be the perfect credit card for you because you don't have to worry about getting a hard inquiry. And this credit card can actually help with your utilization if you need to get higher limit credit cards. So when it comes down to the shopping cart trick, there's a few steps you guys have to take. And a few steps mean that you guys have to clear your cookies on your computer and you have to opt in to 2 websites. You guys have to sign into 2 websites. I'm going to show you that now. And after you do this, you're going to be able to do the trick. So let's get right on into doing that. Hey, so the first thing I want you guys to start doing is I want you guys to clear cookies on your computer and allow pop-ups. So you want to click up here on these 3 dots, click there. And then you want to go down and you want to go to your settings. So right here, you'll see settings. Click on settings. And then I want you guys to put pop here. Just type pop right here in the search box. Then go down to site settings. Right here on site settings, you see where it's highlighted pop-ups. Go ahead and click there. Then go down to the bottom. And then you'll see pop-ups and redirects. You'll see that that is actually highlighted again. So let's click there. And then you want to make sure that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So you want to allow pop-ups. On every computer, it's kind of different, but I like to just search pop. Or if you want to search pop-ups, you'll be able to see right there where it says that the sites can send pop-up and pop-ups and use redirects. So now that we have that done, that's one thing you have to do. And I want you guys to also clear your cookies. So go ahead and search cookie. And I just put cook in and it's already popping up. So clear browsing data. So let's go there. And then you guys want to clear all of your browsing data. Now before, I know I'm showing you guys this now, but I don't have to do this. I don't have to clear all my cookies, but some people do and they browsing history. So, keep that in mind. Some people have to clear it, but I don't have to clear mine. But I see that a lot of people do have to clear it. And then when you clear it, that means that all your logins that you already logged, all your anything that's passwords and stuff that's in your computer is going to be taken off. And I don't like that. So I don't want to have to keep putting the passwords in every time because I'm keep clearing my cookies. But that's something that you may have to do. So that's just something I have to let you know that that's something that you may have to do. Now, the next thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to make sure that you're opting in. So go to Factor Trust. I'll make sure I have this link down below. Go to Factor Trust and you'll see where it says opt in. Go ahead and click submit. So make sure you're opting in. Now you want to put information that's on your Equifax credit report on this form here. So make sure your current address is on your Equifax credit report. If your current address is not on there, you need to have it added. And you can have it added just by calling them a lot of times saying, hey, my address is this. But go ahead and put that information into this form. Everything that's like your first and last name, that shouldn't have changed. Put that on here. Put your social security number, your date of birth. Put your address with your city, state, and zip code, and then put your email address in. After you do that, click confirm. Now, what this is doing is they're actually going to give your information to the credit card companies and tell them, hey, she's looking to get credit. She's opting in for you guys to send her offers in the mail because that's what you're going to get, a lot of offers in the mail. But since we're digital, you can get the offers online also. That's what I'm showing you how to do. So let's go ahead and go to the next company. After you click confirm, sometimes you got to wait like 5 to 7 business days for you to be fully in their system. So don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. You got to wait to get in their system. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is the Prescreen Optout. So let's go and look up the Prescreen Optout. Here's the link here. I'll make sure I have this link down below for you also. But it's the same thing as Factor Trust. You want to opt into them. So what I want you to do is go all the way down to the bottom and it says click here to opt in or opt out. Click there. Make sure that you have opt in highlighted and click continue. And then I want you to put that same information in that you put into Factor Trust that's on your Equifax credit report. Put that in here. So make sure you put all the information in here: your first and last name, social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code. They ask for your telephone number here too. So I suggest you put that telephone number in, because some of the applications can pick you up just from using your telephone number. They're like, oh, I know who you are, and make it so that you can get approved. So definitely put your telephone number in. And this one is kind of different because they have the security code, but go ahead and type in the security code. And if you guys have hard time doing this, some people have a hard time doing the security code based off not being able to see, then see if there's another way you can get help with that. But put your security code in and click confirm. And then, like I said, it's going to take 5 to 7 days for you to be completely into both of their systems. But some people are already in the system, so try the trick right away. But let's get right on into the trick. This was just the first steps I want you to do before you even try this trick. So let's get into the trick. So now that you guys you opted in already, you cleared your cookies, you did everything you need to do to get the shopping cart trick to work. Let me show you how you actually get that pop-up. So let's go ahead and use an incognito window. So click the 3 dots at the top, new incognito window, and you want to go ahead and search that website. So here is the website here, brightlane.home.com. So let's go there. Now, I'm not going to accept any of the cookies. I'm going to X that out, but you're going to keep seeing that pop back up. If you guys are getting this pop up right here, that means that it's working perfectly for you. You're doing a great job. But we want to X that out. We don't want to actually do that. Pop-ups on your screen means that you're going to be able to get that pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved. So that's good. Now, I like to find something between $200 to $250. So I'm going to go ahead and just shop in the clearance just to make it easier for me. Oh, this is perfect right here, $54.98. I can get 4 of those, and that would be between my $200 and my $250. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get that. Let's make sure we click the image, size 0, and 4 of them, and then click add to bag. Okay, perfect. So now our total is $219.92. Don't forget, I want you guys to have between $200 to $250, remember. So that's perfect for us. Let's go ahead and click checkout now. Now, I want you guys to check out as a guest. Now, I already tried the trick using this exact thing, because now I can see over here the total is actually $270. The trick still worked, you guys, so that's good. Just make sure that your first total is between $200 to $250. If you want to pick the same thing I did, go ahead and do it. But we want to check out as a guest. So they want you to put your email address in, and then they want you to check this box if you want to receive any like latest deals, new items, and more. I don't want to do all of that. I don't want you guys to think about doing that just in case you don't get the credit card, you don't get that pop-up. You don't want to get into their email list. So go ahead and uncheck that, and then let's go ahead and put the email address in. Now, don't forget, you guys, make sure this is the same email address that you put into Factor Trust and you put into the Prescreen Optout so that they'll know who you are. So let's go ahead and check out as a guest. Now they're asking for your first and last name, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and your phone number. Use this as the billing address. You can keep that there. Text me. I'm not going to go ahead and check that. We don't want to get any text messages. You can see the shipping and stuff is here. Just keep that how it is. And then we're going to click continue. So let me go ahead and fill that in. And then we're going to go ahead and click continue. Now, when it comes down to the shopping cart trick, you guys, it's so many different credit cards that you can actually do the trick with. So you guys can do the trick with Victoria's Secret. You guys can actually do the trick with Express if you guys haven't tried that yet. You guys can do the trick with Lane Bryant. There are so many different credit cards you guys can actually do that trick with. But you guys got to just try. And if you guys can get the trick to work with one credit card, most likely it will work with others. Now, I got everything filled in, so let's go ahead and click continue. And here is the pop-up here. So you see that the pop-up came in, and they're basically saying that we're pre-approved for that credit card. So you got to go ahead and read all the details. And again, remember I told you guys the pre-screen opt-out, here it is here. You can go ahead and click accept now. Now, when you click accept now, they're going to want the last 4 digits of your social security number. They're going to want your date of birth, and they already have your phone number in. And then they're going to have more personal information. And then all you got to do is click I agree and read the terms and click accept now. It's literally that simple. They only want the last 4 digits of your social, so you shouldn't get a hard inquiry. Now, again, you guys, there's so many different credit cards you can do this with. This is just one of the credit cards. If you guys want us to do this trick for you, make sure you guys go ahead and click down in the description and the comments. I'm gonna have a link right there. We could try to do the trick for you. And then also I go live, so check me out on my lives, you guys. Usually you'll see me live on Friday around 8 p.m. Central Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys check me out live, I also, during my live segment, I also make sure I do the shopping cart trick for you. I do a live for people. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know, or make sure you check me out live. If you was able to get the shopping cart trick to work for any credit cards, drop those down in the comments, you guys, so that we can know about them. And again, you guys, congratulations to those that got approved. If you need help, make sure you ask for help, because we're here to help you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.